So,
अस्सलामुअलैकुम तल्हा साहब, प्यारे तल्हा, क्यूट तल्हा, क्या हाल है?
mashallah, have a look at this, guys. This is our lunch. This is burji. This is a wheat paratha, and here we have the vegetable pulao. Now I can literally see nothing.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा भाई?
It's okay. So this one is actually more tighter, as you can see.
ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
Painted fresh, by the way, because there have been lot of markings before of cars hitting it. So even while it's fresh, there's one mark over there.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
Guys, he's still not. Oh my goodness! So
दिल लगाने की हमको मिली ये सजा, कोई अपना बना के दगा देंगे।
oh, ये मेरे पे आपने चला दिया। नियत का ये रिवॉर्ड है।
अल्लाह साहब की भी अब इज्जत करनी पड़ा दिल से।
दिल से आप पहले नहीं कर रहे थे।
पहले तो
Guys, he's very naughty. He's very naughty. Huh?
Naughty.
What's good, my friends? So it's a Friday. I'm going for the Friday prayer, and today we have a very big update. My friend Nadeem, his channel is ready to be monetized. Wait a second, I'll check in with you guys. So the thing is that today we are gonna apply monetization for his channel, and right now I'm going for the Jummah prayer. He's gonna pray Jummah separately at his place, and then he's gonna come later, and we'll go to a hotel, have some coffee, and I'm really excited for him. We started his channel in December 2026, and he has been putting in a lot of effort. I have been also pushing him as well, and now the goal that I have is to have all this as his second nature, to make videos, to share his knowledge and stuff. He's already doing it, but I wanted him to do this on camera. So right now let's head for the Jummah, and then we'll meet after that. Now let us just cross the road and offer the Jummah prayer. Now guys, it's after the Friday prayer, and actually I came a little bit late, so I had to pray outside the mosque in the shade though, but thankfully I had this prayer mat with me. So the lesson here is that come to the Friday prayer on time.
Okay.
And if you are a tad bit late, bring your own prayer mat. By the way, if you are in Riyadh, are you paying for the Riyadh parking? I wanted to get a monthly membership, but at that time I tried, and the purchase couldn't went through. But let's see what happens in future. As for now, whenever I need to park somewhere in a paid zone, I just pay for the hour. But I think a monthly subscription is better. Guys, I have to tell you, the car is very hot. I just sat inside, turned on the AC, and let's now leave from here. Some people have got their cars tinted, and also it protects from the heat of the sun. Yeah, it is I think effective, but I think the look of the car is not as beautiful when you have like these black panes. However, it is what it is. I do protect the car with the other things that I have, but still it's very hot here, guys. Here in Riyadh it's also dry, so it's hot and dry. Now guys, my plan is to go back home, get my laptop and stuff, and after that I'm gonna be leaving for lunch. Let's see where I get to have lunch, but my first choice would be Shalimar restaurant. Then we can also go to Shawarma House. That's also a good choice. We'll see about that, but right now I'm gonna get my stuff, the laptop and the other accessories, and then we are gonna go after lunch to a hotel, and then we are gonna work on Nadeem's channel, guys. So a lot of hard work. In 8 months he has got his channel monetized, and we'll show you how we'll apply for the monetization. As much as we can, we'll try to show you, and after that I'll be just working on my own stuff. Maybe I might come back home, or I might work from there. I'll see about that. But yesterday I was outside the city, and I went to actually Al Kharaj, and while I was there, it was a lot of work, guys. I exhausted myself, and it was outdoor work and also some other office work, and the day was super long. And after I came back, since yesterday I've been resting. I've had quite a lot of sleep, and now I think I need to catch up on all the stuff that is pending and all the things that I have to do. Among those, one of those was getting Nadeem's channel applied for monetization, and then I might play 007 First Light later in the night. And I'm not just playing, I'm recording these gameplays and posting on my other gaming channel. You might check that out. I'll link it down in the collaborations, so we'll see about that. And right now this is the scene. There was a time when I used to commute with this Riyadh bus, but alhamdulillah, now we have our own car, and we have been able to see a lot of Saudi Arabia. Alhamdulillah for that. Guys, I just reached near Shalimar restaurant and I received Nadeem's message. Let me just see what he texted. So
अस्सलामुअलैकुम तल्हा साहब, प्यारे तल्हा, क्यूट तल्हा, क्या हाल है? अच्छा तल्हा साहब, मैं अभी नमाज वगैरह पढ़ के फ्री हुआ हूँ, तो मैं निकलने लगा हूँ। क्या
guys, he is a very jovial person. He's a very jovial person, mashallah, and I'm really excited for him. Actually, he met the monetization requirements earlier last week, but he has been busy. I've been busy, and now today we got the time to pursue this. And let's go have some lunch, get some energy, and then inshallah we are going to put a lot of effort in the day on Nadeem's channel and also on my own stuff as well. So I decided not to go to the shawarma house. It would be far because yeah. So anyways, the thing is that I have to go to the Le Méridien Hotel. I have asked Nadeem to come here. Earlier in the morning I told him that that will be our meeting point. So if I went to shawarma house, it would have been far. Just a second, guys. Just last week I was here with my friends Kareem Jan and Arshad, and we went to Motam Shalimar, the Shalimar restaurant, but this time it's just me. I asked Nadeem to join me here, but he had some other plans, other things to look after before coming here. So this week around, it's only me. So I was telling that later on we'll be going to the Le Méridien Hotel and enjoying our time over there, having some good coffee or the juices. We'll see about that. But right now, I need to call my family and also have my lunch. So let's meet you inside at the hotel. Mashallah, have a look at this, guys. This is our lunch. This is burji, this is a wheat paratha, and here we have the vegetable pulao. I also ordered some lime mint. It's also coming, but alhamdulillah, let's have our lunch. Here we go, guys. This is what I needed on this hot day. The temperature is quite high outside, and we have this refreshing drink. Look at the wonderful scenes, guys. We are going to Le Méridien Hotel. This one over here, you see, and over there is the Kingdom Tower, if you can see in the distance. So to go to Le Méridien, we have to take this very sharp right into the hotel basement. You see, guys, here we are. Now I can literally see nothing, but we have the camera assistance. Yeah. Come on, now we have to go to the basement level, or the second basement actually, because over here we don't have any parking. It's just for turning and for VIPs. Okay, so this one is actually more tighter, as you can see.
ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
Here we go. This one is painted fresh, by the way, because there have been lot of markings before of cars hitting it. So even while it's fresh, there's one mark over there
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
at the edge. But here we are, alhamdulillah. Just parked the car back over there, guys, and now let's go meet Nadeem. And actually I'm meeting Nadeem physically after maybe a month and a half actually. So we have a lot to catch up on. We have been in contact over the phone, but you know, he's a very dear friend and we are meeting after a long time, all because of our busyness in lives. This is not a mirror, but this is very reflective. But how do you guys rate the fit? Let's find our friend Nadeem. Where is he? The lobby is actually quite silent at this time. There's not much happening. Where's my friend Nadeem? Nadeem. Where are you, Nadeem? There he is, guys. Let's hide over here. No, guys, he's not listening. See, he's enjoying all this. We might sneak up behind on him. Guys, he's still not. Oh my goodness. ये कौन है? नदीम साहब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कैसे हैं सर? खैरियत से हैं? But we are meeting after a month and a half. We need to meet again.
वो अताउल्लाह खां ईसा खेल भी कहता है, अब के बिछड़े हशर में मिलेंगे शायद.
हाँ.
दिल लगाने की हमको मिली ये सजा, कोई अपना बना के दगा देंगे.
आए हाय 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 आए हाय
ओए, ये मेरे पे आपने चला दिया.
जो काबू आ गया उसी के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है.
अच्छा.
ओके,
सही.
ये सिस्टम है.
ये हमारा फिर ना वो खुलूस नियत का ये रिवॉर्ड है.
हाँ, वो
क्या हो गया?
क्या कहते हैं, वो बुजुर्गी आ गई. ये
बुजुर्गी आ गई. हाँ ना.
एक
हाँ.
दो तीन.
हाँ ना. I have.
परेश हो गए. तला साहब की भी अब इज्जत करनी पड़ा करेगी. दिल से
आप पहले नहीं कर रहे थे.
पहले तो
Guys, he's very naughty. हाँ.
सुना है.
Your channel is about to get monetized.
हाँ, इंशाल्लाह.
Yeah.
Before a week it will be monetized.
Yeah, I told them. He met the requirements a week before, but he's so lazy and I mean he's so busy. So he just got time now to. Yeah, let's go outside. It's actually hot outside. Yeah, guys, let us show you the. Oh my goodness! Look at that giraffe over there. And what do they have over here? Some little fountains. This place is good for hanging out in the evening. Nadeem, how's life going? Let's go sit over there and.
Top side sitting.
No, that is a building under construction, guys. You want to sit there at the top?
Yeah, but
it's still under the construction. Yeah.
We are.
Yeah, you'll grow old once you reach over there. So let's go back inside, guys. It's better inside. Guys, have a look at this person. This is the same person that you see over here, and his channel is monetized. So we reviewed the base terms. Now we have to sign up for an AdSense account. We already started. He has an account on AdSense, and then it will be reviewed. Now my friends, from my own experience I can tell you that you need to take care of this stuff. So you need now I'm on the AdSense. You need to put in your details, and over here you have to put your address and postal code and everything, and on your address they'll send a pin for verification. So you'll have to put that pin which they physically send you back into they will give a place where you can put it. So I know it from my experience in Saudi Arabia. I put it as my house address and it didn't come over there. So I bought a PO box with the Saudi Post, and when I requested the pin, it came there. I collected it from the postal office, so that was more convenient. So if you are in Saudi Arabia or anywhere in the Gulf, the PO box is the way for you to go, and the PO box will cost some around 150 Saudi Riyal or something per year. Then a महीने बाद आएगा. So guys, we are buying a PO box for Nadeem. Now we have to select the location and the branch. Okay, मेरा ख्याल है मेरा सीगा अल नसीज, लेकिन तुझे देख लो यार, अभी इसमें PO box available है. So guys, we have completed the payment for the PO box. Nadeem, congratulations, you have a PO box here. Tanatan,
Now
huh?
I have a PO box.
Oh
in
my goodness.
international address.
Yeah, you also have an address in the US. You can receive a parcel
It's
there.
all about your love. and
Really,
goodness.
really, Nadeem. The patience is mine because actually I push you a lot to work on this channel,
Yes.
and you were testing my patience. Huh?
Yes.
Guys, he was testing my patience. I was the one who was pushing him all along to put out more videos, but
All credit goes to Mr. Abu Talha.
the credit is mine. I am taking the due credit, guys. Yeah. But for you, just keep making the videos, okay? Now don't slack. Let's download your bill details and let's go back to the home. And you see now, if you come over here, Nadeem,
0 bill.
yeah, the bill is 00 because you paid. And if you go to the subscriptions here, go to the PO box, and here you have a PO box. This is your PO box address.
That's it.
Should we show people this PO box if anyone wants to send you something?
I am the one, the way you
Yeah.
So guys,
Maybe some guys गालियाँ.
this is the PO box of Nadeem. So if you want to send him something, you can send him on this address.
साइड सऊदी रखना चाहते हैं तो वो आप इनसाइड देंगे. अगर आप उनको इंटरनेशनल यानी कि गल्फ पूरे की देना चाहते हैं तो वो आप पूरे गल्फ की ऑथोराइजेशन देंगे. जब वो ऑथोराइजेशन आप सिलेक्ट करेंगे वो आपने सबमिट कर दी. अब होगा क्या, जिस बंदे को आप ऑथोराइज कर रहे हैं सेकंड ड्राइवर के लिए, उस बंदे के अक्षर पर एक रिक्वेस्ट जाएगी. वो
So guys, we are done recording one video for Nadeem as well. We put it out, and let me show you the thumbnail for that video that we just posted for Nadeem. And although Nadeem might seem like a very busy person, but he has time for these videos because I think he thinks he's gonna make a fortune with these videos, right, Nadeem?
I want to need a Fortuner.
You need a Fortuner. So guys, he needs a Fortuner, but we put a Camry over here. So this is the video we made, and have a look at the magic that I did with the thumbnail. So it's not me actually. So if you keep talking to ChatGPT, you'll have it understand your preferences and what you like, and then it starts to make this fabulous sort of stuff for you. So now Nadeem, let's go have something to drink. Nadeem, guys, he's watching TikTok or something. Believe me, he's smiling, he's watching his mobile and he's not replying. Enough of this not replying.
Actually, someone post है सिस्टम कोलैप्स कर चुका है इसको, तो वो पंजाबी में कमेंट्स जो हैं वो फिर
बताने वाले नहीं. Okay, let's go have something to drink. Yeah, system has collapsed.
पंजाबी ज़बान में कैसे बोलेंगे जरा कमेंट्स में बताओ.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा भाई.
Okay, let's go. Aaju Nadeem. Guys, let's go have something. Pata nahi. So guys, we just gave an order for orange juices, and the weather actually is hot, so we are not going for the coffee. I would have gone for the coffee if it was for my own self, but oh my goodness guys, what is this? So have a look at this, guys, what we found. So that's Shahbaz Sharif, and I think he's with the governor of Riyadh. I'm not sure, but we'll see. The news actually, Pakistan Premier arrives in Jeddah, and he was received at King Abdulaziz International Airport by the Deputy Governor of Makkah region. So he's the Deputy Governor of Makkah region. So guys, let's read this newspaper. So there's some not so good news from the West Bank. May Allah have mercy on all our brothers and sisters and everyone who became a victim to this crisis. And Anyways, here's some news from Saudi Arabia. And then, okay, there's something from the US, from Michigan. So I'm gonna read the newspaper, guys, and then we'll have the orange juice. Nadeem, get out of your mobile. See, guys, so here we have this grapefruit and orange mix. We have some nuts, and then we also got a croissant, and this looks super interesting. Wow, guys, Nadeem, this is tempting. This is tempting. Yeah, so Nadeem is recording a video over there, guys. See, Nadeem, what are you recording, man? Kisko? Saad, he's sending that video to my friend Saad. Saad, if you're watching, have a look at this. He's sending a video to you and you are watching this on video on my YouTube channel.
किसको मैसेज कर रहे हो भाई साहब?
हाँ,
आओ इधर आ जाओ।
उसको भी कहें आज यहाँ. Guys, see who do we have with us? We have Saad. हाँ. What a pleasant surprise. Not a surprise actually, because we invited him, but he was near. अगली वीडियो का टॉपिक सोच रहे हैं.
टॉपिक आ गया, सवाल आ गया, टॉपिक.
Very nice, very nice. Saad, how's life going?
Alhamdulillah, it's perfect.
Yeah. What were you doing nearby?
Actually, I was looking for this Masoop.
Masoop?
Yes.
Ah.
So in between, Nadeem bhai sent me a message. So I thought that someone else sent me next. So I have replied him, yes, I know him. He's working with us in Alpanar. When he replied,
He was replying to you in
so
yeah.
in between he texted me back that Nadeem, and the one I was replying to the person, his name is also Nadeem.
Ah, okay. So you mistook him for
Yes,
another Nadeem.
So I asked him, where are you? And I see the location, so it was around 15 minutes far. So
Yeah. We are glad to have you here,
thank you so much.
Nadeem. Yeah. So guys, now we are gonna order something for Saad, and then we are gonna show him some stuff that we are working on, and that's the scene, guys.
Give me the chance to make a snack.
Yeah, sure, make a snap. Do. So we are enjoying our time. It's a wonderful Friday. This is the rest that we actually needed, and inshallah we are gonna spend a wonderful time over here. I'll catch up with you guys later. Guys, we are gonna end the video. We have a lot to talk about, and we'll not talk about all that on the camera. So Saad, thank you so much for joining us. It's been a pleasure. And Nadeem, you have to say anything?
Don't want to say anything.
If you don't have anything to say, then I have something to say, guys. Do make your own YouTube channels and work hard like Nadeem, and get friends like me who push you to put out the videos. So then you will also have monetized channels.
Like me, like the partner.
We wanted to end the video, but let us show you this awesome scene. Oh my goodness, guys. What a beautiful scene that was. So we are going to pray. Ajo saath bhai. So the mosque is at level 6, and after that we have plans to have some juice, mango juice or something. So the place that we are Saad going to, it's called Mango Juice.
Mango juice.
Yeah, the name of the shop is Mango Juice. So after our prayer, we are gonna go over there. By the way, Nadeem is also with us. So let us offer Maghrib, and then we'll meet outside in the car. Now we are leaving from here. We have my friend Nadeem and Saad with us, and we are gonna go to the Mango Juice shop.
ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
Have a look at this. This is very difficult to navigate.
यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा भाई?
But I mean, like, it's not the most difficult one that I've come across. But I don't know why they don't give enough space over here. If you have a bigger car, then you'll have a tougher time. Hold karo.
Now we start the travel from King Abdullah Road.
Yeah, we are going to actually Takhasusi Street.
Home center. Center Batik.
What's up, my friend?
Yes, bro. What's up?
Saad, we are gonna have some mango juice. It's not exactly juice.
Okay.
It's like a mixture of cream and some shake, and on top of it they have mangoes in it. So it's a good one actually.
Okay.
Once we go there, I'll show you the menu. Or to
Oh,
our
you
left
have
hand.
tried it?
Yeah, many times. Even Wajid has tried it. Only you people are left.
And strongly recommended.
Yes, highly recommended. Strongly recommended. So here's the Le Meridian where we were sitting just before. Their juices were, Nadeem, quite refreshing, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, guys. So, guys, we are at Mango Juice, Asir Mango. So, let's give our order, guys. Come on, guys. Welcome.
Welcome.
Come here, Nadeem. This is what we are gonna have. Pocky. This one. Oh, guys, here we go. Our mango. This is not a mango shake, but anyways,
Mango cream.
I think it's mango over here. Yeah. Wow, have a look at this, guys. It's wonderful. We are gonna give you a review of this. MashaAllah. So now this is a proper end to the video, guys. Thank you so much for your time. It
Thank
was
you so
a
much.
Friday well spent. Nadeem, thank you. Yeah. Congratulations, Nadeem, on getting your account monetized.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
In the pale moonlight, done my hair up real